a 1970, I believe, a Ford 3000. Just put up for sale here at this antique store. And it sounds like it runs decent. It's got the mower with it. You know what he's asking for it? $3,500. 1970, right?
1970 Ford,
yeah.
3000 series.
Pretty cool. Looks like a deal for somebody who's into that.
Yeah.
But it's a tractor.
Big toy. Big old toy.
Well, thank you, sir.
Well, thank you.
All right, there's a tractor for sale for anybody who wants it.
So for anybody who's interested, this tractor for sale is located in the city of Findlay, or should I say the north side of Findlay, right next to this humongous antique store I was visiting. It's just off of I-75, just off the west side of I-75 on exit 161, right next to this huge antique store. It says Ohio's largest antique store on the front of the building. Thanks for watching.